Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a physical SIM card here at the iPhone 17e. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So here within the cable you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Just release it. Otherwise you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you can insert a nano SIM card. Let's do that. The contacts are here on top. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you know, the contacts they are on top. Okay, then put back your SIM tray into the SIM slot. So the SIM card is always on top, no? So to the display side, close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.